Hi guys, I'm Rodel Forlis and welcome to Nog Gadget City Unboxing. For today we'll be unboxing two new products from Realme, the new Realme C25 and the new Realme Buds Air.
The Realme C25, just like its predecessors, packs a well-balanced combination of features, from its powerful camera capabilities and trendy design to a massive battery capacity in a very affordable price. As Realme Philippines aims to elevate the lifestyle of every young Filipino through the power of technology and innovation this year with the hashtag Realme Tech Life. Inside the box, you'll get the usual silicone case, manuals and documentation, USB Type-C cable and fast charge, along with the phone itself. What I got is a 4GB version with 128GB storage in water blue color. You can also purchase this unit in water gray color and an option for a 64GB storage. So what makes this unit very interesting? Well, with its value, you can already get a unit with 6000 mAh mega battery, Helio G70 processor, 48 megapixel AI triple cameras, 18 watts Type-C quick charge, an 8 megapixel selfie camera with a huge display of 16.5 cm. Long battery life is really something we all need nowadays, especially for work, school, or other leisure activity. Realme C25 can provide that. Not to mention, it also sports a MediaTek Helio G70 processor that ensures a much powerful and swift performance for both content creators and gamers alike. And speaking of content creators, they will surely love the 48 megapixel AI triple camera setup of the Realme C25. We'll try to take some shots soon and we'll post it on the vlog.
And of course, the perfect partner for this unit is the newest earphone released by Realme, the new Realme Buds Air 2 Neo.
Initially, these earbuds have active noise cancellation, a 28 hours of total playback, has a 10mm dynamic bass boost driver, 88 ms super low latency, transparency mode, and a dual mic noise cancellation for calls. Realme Buds Air 2 Neo comes in a gleaming mirror design in two colorways, active black and calm gray. It supports fast charging with just 10 minutes of charging time. Users can get 118 minutes of playback. The earbud tips feature smart touch functionality, allowing users to toggle earbud settings with just a light tap. From Buds Air Neo to Buds Air 2 Neo, Realme has changed the shape from a rod to a bean, but the earbuds still adapt the curvy aesthetic of the previous generation. Aside from its great design, I think the selling point of this unit is it can filter out most low-frequency noises, including the rumble of airplanes, the subway, and other transportation noises. Hence, users can choose the ear tips that fit their ears to enhance passive noise reduction for better noise isolation. Just like the Realme Buds Air 2, Realme has also upgraded the game mode of the Realme Buds Air 2 Neo with latency as low as 88 ms, the industry's lowest, for a richer gaming experience with headphones.
The Realme C25 and the Realme Buds Air 2 Neo will be available here in the Philippines starting April 15, 2021. I hope this video has helped you out in deciding if this unit is something that's suited in your lifestyle. Do not forget to put a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. Until our next unboxing, this is Nog Gadget City. Ciao!